Meteorologist Kristi Gordon now with a look at our weather forecast, and what a difference a day makes, Kristi.
You know, I was just going to say that very statement, Sophie, and yeah, exactly. Today was a perfect example of that. So yesterday we had 16 degrees away from the water under sunny skies. It felt like spring. Today we saw highs ranging from 8 to 10 degrees across Metro Vancouver. It was a little drier in the morning, but still gray, but the rain is certainly pushed in now, and we'll continue to see that through the remainder of the day today. So the main part of this front is still set to push in. We'll get in behind it tomorrow. We'll see some breaks of blue sky, but we still have a chance of showers. Now, we've had a number of dust advisories in the interior regions. Although there are a few showers shifting in, we still have those dust advisories in effect, not enough to actually dampen down the dust. So heads up on that. Although the Quesnel area right through here has now ended in terms of the dust advisory, but until we get some substantial rainfall in those regions, we won't see a change. As we head through the overnight period, temperatures are going to drop. We are expecting snow over higher elevations, so the North Shore Mountains if you're traveling the mountain passes, and we could even see some wet snow just over the highest elevations of Metro Vancouver. Keep in mind, when we get in behind this system, it's just going to be spotty precipitation. Not a lot in through the southern or central interior regions, but certainly along the mountainous regions. So we have about a 40% chance of showers tomorrow, and again, possible wet flurries through the early morning hours over highest elevations of our region. There's your forecast for Saturday. We do have a chance of showers. It is going to stay cool. We could see some wet snow over higher elevations again, but Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, it looks like we clear out and we warm up just as the kids head back to school, unfortunately. So back to you.
All right, thanks, Kristi. All right, well, it's a good way to get into Kristi. No twisters here, but some beautiful lights. Wow, that's gorgeous, Kristi.
Yeah, so amazing. And you know, this solar flare or aurora borealis was viewed from all corners of our province, which was really nice. Thank you to everyone who shared photos with us. But this one's actually rare, Sophie, because a lot of these images aren't just showing sort of the typical greens and reds that we see. They're showing a lot of pinks and purples, which indicates, according to my research, that it was a very strong solar flare, or there was strong solar activity. So have a look at some of these imagery. I mean, you can certainly still see some green, but a lot of it is that pink and purple, and that was viewed right across the province. Now, today, we do still have the potential of viewing the aurora tonight. So if you have a break in the sky, make sure you get out there and have a look. Likely won't be the case across the South Coast area. We're seeing significant rain and it's heavy at times. We are going to get in behind this front, so it is going to be much more spotty. Maybe you'll be able to catch the aurora, but we've had some shower activity push into the interior, but not enough to dampen down the dust advisories that are still in place in various parts of the province. Now, we will see some showers in the Columbia and the Kootenay region even into tomorrow, but you can see how spotty it is. It's just the southern areas that have the best chance of it, and temperatures will be cold enough. We're talking about snow on the local mountains and on the any of the mountain passes. So make sure you're aware we are expecting snowfall anywhere east of Hope and likely up towards Whistler as well. Very spotty conditions indeed. Tomorrow we'll see breaks of blue sky. Certainly cooler though, similar to what we saw today. Highs will range from 8 to 9 degrees. Again, we do have a slight chance of some wet snow over higher elevations tonight and again tomorrow night with this instability and cooler air mass in place. But overall, we will catch a bit of sunshine. It won't be as gray as what we saw today. Best chance of showers for our region will be on Saturday before it clears out over the weekend, and it looks like we warm up as the kids head back to school. Tough timing for the kids. But one more shot of the aurora, this one from Shelter Bay. Thank you to Janet for sharing that with us. Sophie, back to you.
All right, thanks, Kristi. A warning now for those viewers who are afraid of spiders.